So we have a Razor SX500 McGrath signature Razor dirt bike. We're going to upgrade it with an Electric & Co 5,000 watt motor, so it's 10 times faster. This one's staying the same, but we might use this motor in one of the smaller editions that we already had. So I'm going to do a quick little deal. We're going to show you how quick these are now, and then we're going to fix them up and then show you how quick they are with the kit. So let's go for a ride. Alright, we're going to show you how quick these are right now. When they stop. Right? Ooh, it's muddy out here. Alright, so we're going pretty quick. This is good. I'm not sure exactly how fast this thing's going, but it goes quick enough. So, I mean, quick enough for a tire. Alright. So, that's that one. So, show you what his looks like when it's done. Pretty quick, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so this one's a little faster than the green one. So the green one's getting the upgrade. So here we go. Put these on, because shit's about to get serious. Maybe 30. Oh, definitely going 30. We'll do a speed test in a second here. So, in conclusion, this bike is ridiculously fast. I just did a speed test, clocked it 30 miles an hour, and that was with me just having a limited road space to do it. I have it just bungeed in there, so I can bring the battery in and just leave this in the shed and stuff, but works fucking awesome. It's a 48 volt battery, lithium ion, and then that is a 5,000 watt motor. We even got a light on the front.